problem 13 of the exercise 5.2, which I am going to solve here. Problem 13 says that a round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in the figure 1. If the radius of the cover is 28 centimeter, find the cost of making the design at the rate of 35 paise per square centimeter. Find this cost. For that, we have to find out the area of designs. Now we can see the problem. Problem 13. As I have already told, we have to find out the designs of a round table cover with 6 equal designs, and also the cost is given per square centimeter, that is 35 paise for that. And now we have to find out the total cost of a design. The solution for this round table cover has 6 equal designs. See the figure 1, that is 6 equal designs. And now let us join the ends of the designs. And since the designs are equal, so the angle made by the designs at O would be equal. Each design will make an equal angle at the center. But angle made by one design, 6 into total angle, total number of angles is a 360 degree. And therefore the angle made by one design is a 360 by 6, that is equal to 60 degree. Each design will make an angle of 60 degree at the center. So now we have angle subtended by the one design at the center, and also radius of the circle is at 28 centimeter. So now let us look at one design. We see that the area of one design equal to area of a segment APB here. And therefore, total area of the design equal to 6 into area of one design. And that is equal to 6 into area of a segment APB here. That I would like to call it as a equation number 1. And but the area of a segment APB equal to area of the sector OAPB minus area of the triangle OAB. That let me call it as a equation number 2. Now the area of a sector OAPB equal to theta by 360 into phi r square, area of the sector OAPB is equal to, by the formula, theta by 360 into phi r square. That is, theta here, the angle subtended by the sector is 60 degree, which we came to know earlier. That is 360 into phi equal to 22 by 7, r equal to 28 whole square, that equal to 60, that is 1 by 6 into 22 by 7 into 28 into 28, that equal to, what is that, 6 8 ja, that is 7 8 ja 7 8 ja sorry 7 4 ja 8 28 that I would like to write down as 1 by 6 into 22 into 7 8 ja 7 4 ja 28 that I would like to write down 4 into 28 and that equal to after multiplication and put it in a decimal form, what we are going to write down here as 410.67 square centimeter. Let me call this is an equation number 3. And now further area of a triangle OAB equal to half into base into height, and that is now for this we will draw. Now draw OM perpendicular to AB, and in a triangle OMA and OMB, we will see OMA equal to OMB equal to 90 degree because OM is perpendicular to AB and OA equal to OB, that is 28 centimeters, and OM is common to both the triangles, and therefore triangle OMA is congruent to triangle OMB, and thus we have angle AOM is equal to angle BOM, and that is 60. AOB equal to 60, therefore this is going to be 30 degree, and this is also 30 degree because OAB equal to AOM plus MOB or BOM is equal to 60 degree, and both are equal, and therefore they makes equal angle, that is half of the angle AOB, and AM equal to MB, and therefore AB is equal to AM plus MB, and that is AB equal to 2AM. That I would like to call it as equation number 4. And in a right angle triangle AOM with an angle M is equal to 90 degree, and therefore sine 30 equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Sine 30 equal to opposite side AM by hypotenuse OA, that is AM by 28, and therefore half equal to AM by 28 because sine 30 equal to 1 by 2, and therefore AM equal to 28 by 2, that is 14, that is AM equal to 14, and AM equal to MB, that is also 14. So we have but also area of cos 30 equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is OM, adjacent side is OM, hypotenuse OA, and therefore what you can say, but cos 30 cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2, and therefore root 3 by 2 equal to OM by OA, that is 28, This implies OM equal to what is that? Root 3 by 2 into 28, that equal to root 3 into 14, or I can write down 14 root 3 is the value of OM, and therefore area of a triangle OAB equal to half into base into height. Half into base is a AB, height is a OM, and that is going to be, what is that? AB equal to half into AB equal to 28 into OM equal to 14 root 3, and that equal to 14 into 14 root 3, that equal to I would like to write down that is a 14 into 14 into 14 196. I can write down this as 196 into root 3, which I can write down 1.77 or 73, whatever it may be. Now presently I am taking 1.7 only, and that equal to 333.2 square centimeter, and this I would like to call it as equation number 5, and therefore area of a segment equal to area of a sector OAPB minus area of the triangle AOB, and that equal to 410.67 minus by 5, we can have 333.2. This is from 3 and 5, and after simplification this is going to be 7.47 square centimeter. Let me call this is equation number 6, and therefore now the area of the design equal to 6 times the area of the segment APB, that equal to 6 times 77.47 equal to 464.82 square centimeter. And now since the cost of making one square centimeter design equal to 35 paise, and therefore the cost of making 464.82 square centimeter of design equal to 0.35 into 464.82, that equal to what is that, 162.68. Therefore total cost of design, cost of design equal to 162 rupees 68 paise.